Good morning, everyone. This is Wild Wishers TV. Let's find out and study the adorable and exotic animals with unique whiskers living in the earth. And at the end, I have a question for you to answer, and you might be one of the lucky ones to win this channel's annual raffle promo. Let's go. The koala, Phascolarctos cinereus, is a small marsupial native to Australia, known for its distinctive appearance and docile behavior. Koalas are tree-dwelling animals that are primarily herbivorous, feeding mainly on eucalyptus leaves. They are found in the eastern and southeastern regions of Australia, in areas where eucalyptus trees grow. Koalas have a thick fur coat that protects them from the elements and allows them to remain comfortable in a range of temperatures. They have a round head, large ears, and a distinctive, flattened nose. Koalas are arboreal animals and have specialized adaptations such as strong limbs, a long tail for balance, and sharp claws to help them climb and grip onto branches. Koalas are generally solitary animals, except during mating season when they may form temporary groups. They communicate through a range of vocalizations, including grunts, snores, and bellows, and also use scent marking to establish territory and attract mates. Koalas have faced a number of threats to their survival in recent years, including habitat destruction, disease, and climate change. As a result, their populations have declined significantly, and they are currently listed as a vulnerable species. Conservation efforts are underway to protect koalas and their habitat. Koalas are marsupials, which means that they give birth to relatively undeveloped young that continue to grow and develop outside of the womb. The gestation period of a female koala is about 35 days, after which she gives birth to a single joey that weighs less than a gram and is only about 2 centimeters long. The joey then crawls into the mother's pouch where it continues to develop and nurse for around 6 months. After leaving the pouch, the joey will remain close to its mother and continue to nurse for several more months. Koalas reach sexual maturity at around 2 to 3 years of age. Breeding can occur throughout the year, but it is most common in the spring and summer months. Koalas have a relatively low reproductive rate, with females typically producing only one joey per year. In the wild, koalas have an average lifespan of around 10 to 14 years. However, in captivity, they can live much longer, with some individuals living up to 20 years or more. Factors such as habitat loss, disease, and predation can affect their lifespan in the wild. Koalas have several unique characteristics that make them well adapted to their arboreal lifestyle and distinguish them from other animals. Here are a few key characteristics of koalas. Adaptations for an arboreal lifestyle. Koalas are specialized for living in trees. They have strong, sharp claws that allow them to climb and grip onto branches, and their hind feet have an opposable digit, which helps them to grip more effectively. They also have a unique pelvis structure that allows them to sit upright on branches. Diet. Koalas are primarily herbivorous, feeding almost exclusively on eucalyptus leaves. They have specialized adaptations such as a long, muscular stomach and a digestive system that allows them to break down the tough fibers in eucalyptus leaves. Vocalizations. Koalas have a range of vocalizations that they use to communicate with each other. These include grunts, snores, and bellows, as well as a range of other sounds. Sleep. Koalas are known for their tendency to sleep for long periods of time, often up to 20 hours per day. They are most active at night and may sleep during the day to conserve energy. Social behavior. Koalas are generally solitary animals, but they do have social relationships with other koalas. Males may compete for access to females during mating season, and females with young may interact with other females to form temporary groups. Overall, koalas are unique and fascinating animals that have evolved a range of adaptations to help them survive in their specialized niche in the Australian ecosystem. As with all living organisms, koalas play an important role in their ecosystem. While their diet is specialized and primarily restricted to eucalyptus leaves, this has an indirect impact on other species in their habitat. By feeding on eucalyptus leaves, koalas help to shape the composition and structure of their environment, which in turn can affect the diversity of other plant and animal species in the area. In addition, as a tree-dwelling species, koalas help to disperse seeds of the eucalyptus trees they feed on. When they consume the leaves, they help to break them down and the seeds are then dispersed through their droppings. This process helps to promote the growth and regeneration of eucalyptus forests. Koalas also have cultural and economic significance for the people of Australia, as they are a unique and iconic species that attract tourists from around the world. Their conservation and protection is therefore important not only for their ecological role, but also for their cultural and economic value. My question: what lifespan of koalas? Comment your answer with your name. And please share, consider subscribe and click the bell icon. Your simple viewing, sharing and subscribing is big help to self-supporting student in the Philippines that we help. Thank you.